So we have prepared very well. Our teams are on the sites. Earlier there was about 210 pinpoints where we had to be very cautious that we had identified. Last one and a half year, I think more than 164 places we have already identified and we have cleared their points, and only 44 are been left. In 44, 24 work is been going on, and still 20 has to be planned in a systematic way. Here, there are three important major issues. One, under a railway bridge, railway track. We have taken the support of the railway authorities, and we have to give them the responsibility also. We both are jointly working out on that work. If that work is been done almost in the northern Bangalore, almost the one major issues will be sorted out. Today we have received about 104 mm of water. Rain has come maximum, and today also my Chief Minister was supposed to visit few places. Still it was raining too much, and it is the traffic time. He has postponed this visit for day after tomorrow, because tomorrow we are going to, all of us are going to Vijayanagar. The traffic police also had given us 137 points. We have also cleared 82 of them, and things are going. Every year, almost 70% the works have been completed. We have a great concern for Bangalore. It is our bound duty to keep all of them safe. Rain, it is a nature, a law of nature. Definitely, it is our bound duty to protect every common man, citizen, and we are at it. Only one death has happened. Still, I am unfortunate. A wall has been fallen on her while she was walking, or we don't know. It is in a private property. It has been fallen in the Whitefield area, in a private property. Maybe some war, maybe. So government, our corporation is looking at. So I think some of you raised about some opposition questioning her. Naturally, they will do it. They will try to create more things. But we are more committed. We have sorted the problem. You just go to the earlier records at their regime. What type of problems were there? Now, day by day, we are improving. And almost the entire Bangalore city, we are taking up all the storm water drains. We are completing it. We have taken up more than, we are spending in a very huge way, more than 200 kilometers.
173 kilometers.
173 kilometers.
195 is undergoing, sir.
197 is going on. About 2,000 crores we are investing only on that. We will be completing. Some suggestions have come in some places. Still we have to take it a little bit deeper. We will look at it technically also. We will look at it. We are bound to it. We will look at it. And I request all the citizens of Bangalore not to be panicked. We are more concerned. We know the image and we know the problems of Bangalore. We are at it.